Laba Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel art, or commonly known as a YouTube banner, or you can call it a channel header image, which is basically a visual representation of your channel brand or the purpose of your channel or the personality that you'd want to put out there as part of your channel brand. So again, we are going to use a tool that I like to use a lot, and that is canva.com. So Canva is a graphic design tool which is online, and it allows you to use it for free, and also there's a paid for version. So we are going to search through for a YouTube channel art, and then we will design a sample together, and then I'll show you where you can be able to upload it in your channel. So this is still part of YouTube tips playlist, and you can click on the card above for you to watch more videos on the YouTube tips playlist. So let's dive in. So at the search bar at the top here, I don't know whether you can see, sorry. At the top here, so we're going to search for YouTube channel, yes, art, and we have this option here. So we can select that first option and search. So we have a couple of templates that we can take advantage of, and you can skim through and search for something that is within your brand colors. So you can look for a template that showcases your primary colors and your secondary brand colors, and then you can be able to modify that very easily. If you don't wish to select an existing template, you can choose to create your own design at the top here, and ensure that the pixels that you put are within the range. So for you to get those channel art pixels, you go to YouTube, and then under YouTube channel, there's a part for customization, and then you click under branding, and then you'll be able to upload your channel art or your channel header. So when you're doing that, it will give you specifications, and we are going to go through that process together. So in this video, I'll only show you how to design using a preset template, which can be a good starting point for somebody who has design skills. So click on any that applies to, again, your brand colors, the primary color and the secondary colors. So for example, we can select on this one. So with this, you can be able to change it to align to your liking again. So here you'd be able to change the image, and then of course you can be able to change the name. And if you feel like you need to add more elements to it, you can be able to do so. You can add lines, you can add shapes, frame. I can change the image. For example, if I want to put my face, let me search. So I can use this free photo and drag it on this placeholder. If I feel like I want to move anything around, maybe to showcase my face, I can be able to do so. So probably my channel is a gaming channel, so I'll call it Gaming with TZ. Give it a tagline. Let's play. Yeah, and this is pretty much done. If I feel I need to add more things to it, maybe add text, I can be able to do so. If I want to add a placeholder for an additional image, I can be able to do so. I just add either of these. If I want to change the look and feel of this placeholder, I can be able to do so. Yeah, so basically that's how you create your header. So where do you upload this? Either you can always give it a name over here. You just change the name to my header. You can always rename your designs nicely so that it is easy for you to remember them. So once you're done, you go to your YouTube channel, then you go to YouTube Studio. Then on this navigation bar on the left side, you will scroll all the way down to customization, and then you click on customization. And then at the top here, you can see we have layout, we have branding, and we have basic information. So our focus is on branding. So under branding, you have a place where you can change your profile picture or the YouTube icon. Then you have the banner image. This is the focus of our video today. So this is where you click and add. If you had not added a banner, this is where you load your banner. And when you load it there, let me show you how it looks. So let's go to my channel, click on your channel, and this is what I'm talking about, this banner. So it's really important for you to include it in your YouTube channel because it enables, it gives your channel some personality, and also it brands your channel, and somebody looking at your channel can be able to understand the kind of content that you create before they interact with your content. So I hope that you've learned something, and in case you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to share this video as widely as possible. And if you like this video or the kind of content I create, please give me a like, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.